What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Crazy Crypto Cliff, aka Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know you're rocking with me. All right. Look, guys, we have a big day in the market today. We're already seeing some stocks, creep up today. We have the Fed likely to cut the interest rates here in a little bit. We have Meta, Alphabet, and Microsoft all reporting their earnings, and we are seeing some positive momentum in the stock market. Okay, we see the S&P 500 at the time of this recording is sitting at 6,903 points. Okay, so big day today, guys. So let's get into it. All right, now, guys, when we look at Alphabet stock, guys, at the time of this recording, it is sitting at around 273. Okay, so we are sitting at all-time highs for Alphabet, and we have just been smashing this all year. Okay. My personal account, I'm up 55% on Google, guys. This is one of my long-term investments, and that's why I keep telling you guys, set it and forget it. I'm investing every single week, and I am reaping the benefits of investing in Alphabet stock. All right. Now, with that being said, we can see this going to $300 next. Okay, so that's my next target for Alphabet stock. Now, we need to break past resistance of 273 before we can get there, right? Now, the only thing that's going to keep pushing the stock higher is earnings. Okay, so they have earnings reports after the bell. So a lot of people are going to be paying very close attention to this. Okay, now, by all accounts, it is expected to be a positive report. All right, so let's take a look at what they're expecting. All right, now, guys, according to this article in CNBC, Wall Street expects the search giant to show 13% year-over-year growth. Okay, so that is not too shabby at all. All right, so they are expecting revenue of $99 billion, okay, which is crazy. Earnings per share are looking at $2.33 adjusted. So the YouTube advertising revenue is expected to be around $10 billion, okay? Now, the advertising revenue has been taking a lot of hits. They have a lot of lawsuits because people are saying that they are monopolizing the ad space, okay? So they have a lot of issues going on with that. So a lot of people are going to be paying attention to the Google Cloud revenue, all right? So in that area, they are expecting revenue of $14 billion, which is huge, okay? So they've been smashing it out of the park with that, all right? Let's see what else they got going on, guys. So the stock price has soared 38% in the third quarter. This has been its best quarterly performance in 2 decades. All right. So, guys, we're going to keep our eyes on Alphabet stock. I have some plays for you guys over at crazycryptocliff.com in the members area. Okay. Now, let's look at some more stocks. All right. Next up on the list, guys, I want you to keep your eyes on Microsoft. All right. We have been killing it all year with Microsoft. All right. This is another one of my favorite companies, long-term investments. Set it and forget it type stocks. All right, we invest every single week in Microsoft, and we just been killing it with Microsoft. At the time of this recording, we're looking at $538. Okay, so it's down around $3 today. Okay, and that's all right. We've been smashing it. Our first target was 521, and then 530, and we blown past that. And guys, my next target for this is $600. Okay, and I can see it getting there easily with all the investments and everything that they have going on. We saw they just did the deal with OpenAI, which could be one of the smartest AI moves. So Microsoft is a huge company. Okay, guys. So keep your eyes on this one. We see this one going to $600. They have earnings reports after the bell. Let's see here. So if you take a look here, guys, they are expecting to make report $75 billion, which would be a 15% year-over-year increase. Earnings per share, we're looking at $3.66, okay, per share, which is a 10%, right at 11% year over year. You see the analyst rating right here. They have it as a strong buy at $630.37, and then a fair value at $600, okay? All right, now, guys, with that being said, as I was recording this, I saw the news that the FOMC has cut the interest rates by 25 basis points, guys, amid slowing job gains. Okay, so they're saying the job market is slowing down, so they saw it necessary to go ahead and cut the interest rates by further 25 basis points. Now this brings it to the range of 3.75% to 4%. Okay, So this is huge news as well, guys. Now, with that being said, tomorrow, don't be surprised if you see the market dip a little bit tomorrow, okay? And then on Friday, we could possibly see a crazy rally to end the week, all right? There's no guarantees, guys. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Definitely do your own research and consult with your local financial advisor, okay? But that's just how I see things happening. I can definitely, like I said, see things, kind of taper off tomorrow a little bit. The hype dies down a little bit, and then on Friday, we see it swing back into full effect and have maybe, hopefully, a crazy run on Friday. All right. Now, gang, if you want some free stocks and you want to earn 8.1% on your uninvested cash, then consider downloading the Moo investment app, okay? I will have the link down at the top of the description for you guys. If you want to learn more about investing and trading stock options, then go over to the website Crazy Crypto Cliff and consider becoming a member, okay? Look, guys, that is all I have for you guys in this particular video, okay? I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, and let's get this money.